present to you our project this day. So, our topic today is about set and set operation. This is our topic today, set and set operation. So, we are here today to discuss to you about set and set operation. Now, I am here about to present you the introduction to set. So, the concept of set is fundamental to mathematics and computer science. Everything mathematical starts with set. As we see later, the relationship between two objects are represented as a set of ordered pairs objects. The concept of ordered pairs is defined using set natural numbers, which are the basis of other methods. We're also defined using set the concept of function being a special type of relation is based on sets, and graphs and diagrams consisting of lines and points are described as an ordered pair of sets. Teachers, I am here today to discuss the operation of sets. Sets. First example is the union is the combination of two sets that is not duplicated. For example, set A is equal to the numbers of this. And set B is like this. The symbol for union is this, because it is the first letter of U. If we done this in union, the output is like this. That is union. Another operation on set is the difference. The difference of two sets A and B, also known as set theoretic difference of A and B in the relative complement of B in A, is the set of elements that are in A but not in B. For example, the elements of set A. And the elements in set B. Therefore, the difference of these elements is because 1 and 3 have in set A but not in set B. The third element in operations on set is the intersection. The symbol for intersection is like this. Intersection of two sets A and B written A as is the set of elements that are in A and B. For example, set elements in A. And set elements in B. The intersection for this is and 4 because it is covered in set elements in A and set elements in B.
Inputting array elements. In this function, the user will be asked to input elements in the array. First, what the user will enter will be put to the variable input. Then the element will be put to the function check. This checks whether an element is duplicated or not. If the element is not duplicated, the element will not be entered in the array. Otherwise, the user will input another element. The elements are passed in the function getLength for the proper placing of commas. Then the user will be asked if he wants to put another number. If he answered yes, he will enter another number. And if he answered no, the inputting of elements will now end. The array can only hold 10 inputs. Sorting. In the function that sorts ascendingly, the first element is compared to the next elements, second compared to the next elements until the last. If it satisfies the condition, the two elements will shift. A variable named temp will hold the element inside set X. Then the element in set Y will be put to set X, and finally, the element in temp will be put to set Y. The same process will occur in the next loops if it satisfies the condition. In the function that sorts descendingly, the same process in the ascending function is applied. Only the condition is changed. Union. In this function, the two sets will be united. First, set A was put in a temporary array, which is set temp. Their lengths are being measured in getLength. Next, the elements in set B are to be tested if they also appeared in set A. If they are not in set A, set temp will get that element. This is necessary so that the elements will not be duplicated. Then set temp will be sorted and the output will be the union of set A and set B. Intersection. The elements in set A are compared with set B, and if there are elements that are the same in both sets, that elements will be put to set temp. Their lengths are being measured for the proper placing of curly braces. Then after the loop, the elements in set temp are to be sorted and the output will be the intersection of set A and set B. Difference of A and B. The function gets what is in set A that is not in set B. Set A is compared with set B. If an element in set A is not present in set B, that element will be put to set temp. This process will continue until the loop ends. Lengths are also measured in this part of the for the proper placing of curly braces. Then the elements in set temp are to be sorted and the output will be the difference of set A minus set B. Difference of set B to set A. This function gets what is in set B that is not in set A. Set B is compared with set A. If an element in set B is not present in set A, that element will be put to set temp. This process will continue until the loop ends. Lengths are also measured in this part for the proper placing of curly braces. Then the elements in set temp are to be sorted and the output will be the difference of set B minus set A. Symmetric difference. This function gets the union of set A minus set B and set B minus set A. Elements that are in set A that is not in set B and elements in set B that is not in set A are put in set temp. This process will continue until the loop ends. Lengths are also measured in this part of for the proper placing of curly braces. Then the elements of set temp are to be sorted and the output will be the symmetric difference of set A and set B.